Well, my name is Dave Ranhoff. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at Enphase Energy. Today we're in Arlington, Texas, where we're making U.S. product. So we're excited today to be doing a ribbon cutting. We brought a lot of our installer partners in.
Excited to be here as part of this opening of this factory for Enphase.
Right here in our hometown of Arlington, Texas.
Today, when we arrived, I mean, this is state of the art.
I love seeing the installers see this equipment and just be in awe. What we demonstrated here was how we've designed in reliability, how we build for reliability, how we test for reliability, and drive defects out of every process, providing a product with a 25-year warranty. Nobody has anything close to that.
It makes me feel super confident as a business owner.
The bar's been set based on our experience with Enphase over the last really 8 years. It's become a central part of our business.
We don't install or sell to a homeowner. That's where we rely on our partners. We say the installer is the lifeblood of Enphase to the home.
The generosity of having us look through the window on each of these machines, it was consistent again with the culture that we've come to know Enphase as. One of the questions I asked, was this line hand-built? It was, and so I was thrilled to see this.
Enphase, they really take such a meticulous approach when it comes to manufacturing. You can really tell by the commitment that the workers have on the line.
This helps to make sure that we can stand behind that and our customers are confident that the products we're installing will last the test of time.
As a result, they tend to get more business. A lot of homeowners and a lot of installers love Made in America solutions. They want to support their communities. So we're going to do outreach, recruit and retain good people, create opportunities for people in this country.
Excited to see the Made in America product that Enphase is going to deliver to us and to our customers.
An American made matters. It matters to me, it matters to our economy, it matters to our customers, it matters to all the stakeholders involved.
I hope our installers walk away from here having something in their pocket that they can use to more effectively sell solutions at the kitchen table. And to me, that is quality. It's quality.